Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a St. Patrick's Day axolotl. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day axolotl, let's begin right here and let's just draw a line that's going to come right across here. Next, starting here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's just going to come down, and then we're just going to curve up to here. Now, starting here, let's draw a little oval shape like this. Then let's go ahead and make a little line right across the top for some detail. Let's draw a line that's going to come up, and a second one that's going to come up over here for the sides of the hat. Then let's give it a nice little curve across the top for the top of the hat. Let's draw a little line here for part of the hat, and then two lines down for the little buckle on the hat. Now, let's make the gills. So let's draw a line that's just going to come out and in, and then one more out and in. Same thing here. Let's just go out and in, and then out and in. Now let's draw the face on our axolotl. Let's begin here with a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space and let's make another circle for an eye over here. We'll draw two small circles inside of the eyes, kind of at an angle. Then just go ahead and color in that middle part, leaving those two little circles white. Now for the mouth, let's just go down and up, and then down and up here. Then let's draw a line that's going to go down and up for the inside of the mouth, a little sad face for the tongue. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to come out, and then it's going to curve in. And let's do that same thing here. We're just going to go out, and then curve in. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps and bring this over here. Same thing, 1, 2, and 3 little bumps and bring this in. Now let's draw a little shamrock on here. So let's make a little line that's just going to come up and down. And same thing here, we're just going to go up and down. Then we're going to go up, over, and then down here. Next, right here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and up. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up to connect it. Then we'll draw a little line that goes down, over, and up for the stem. Now let's draw a little line that's going to come down here for the body, and then one right here. Let's make a little U shape right here, and then we're going to make another little U shape right here for the feet. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 bumps, and same thing here, 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. Next, right here, I'm going to just draw a long line that's just going to go down and up. And then I'm going to do that same thing right here, and I'm going to bring this to like a point. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here, and a little curved line here for some detail on our axolotl tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little cartoon St. Patrick's Day axolotl. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.